Hello friends, I am back with another C programming video tutorial for slide hunt. In this tutorial I am gonna teach you how to find the smallest and greatest element of an array. So let's start. The first thing that we need to do, declare some variables that we use in our program. So I am going to declare here int size. In this variable we will store the size of the array or the number of elements that the array will contain. Next I am going to declare another variable, let's say I, which use as a loop counter. Next I am going to declare two other variables. One is greatest, which hold the greatest element of the array, and another is smallest, which hold the smallest element of the array. Next I am going to ask user to enter the size of the array. Printf, please enter the size of the array. Next we use scanf function to receive the input from user. Scanf, since we receive an integer value, so I am going to write here %d, and we store the value to the variable size. For that I am going to write here %size. Next we declare here an integer array int x, and within square bracket we have to specify the size. Since we store the size of the array inside the variable size, so I am going to write here size, and the value of the size will be supplied by user at runtime. Next I am going to ask user to enter the elements of the array. Printf, please enter the elements of the array, and a new line. To read the inputs that the user enter, we use here a for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than size, and then I plus plus. Inside the for loop I am going to write scanf %d, and we store the value in the position pointed by the loop counter I, that is x of I. For first iteration I equal to 0, so the first element will be stored to the 0th position. Next iteration I will be 1, and next value will be stored to the first position. Then again increment the value of I by 1, and this procedure will be continue. Next we see the logic of how to find the greatest and smallest element of the array. See here we take an array X which has 5 elements. Our task is to find the greatest and smallest element of this array. First we find the greatest element. To find the greatest element, we initialize the first element of the array to a variable. Here we initialize greatest equal to x of 0. 0th position contain 15. So now greatest equal to 15. Then we use here a for loop which runs from 1 to less than 4. Since we have already used the 0th position here, so we no need to check it again. That's why we start from 1. Inside the loop we compare the current position value of x with the value of greatest. This time x equal to 1. So if x of I is greater than greatest, then we copy x of I to greatest. X of 1 equal to 12. So 12 greater than 15? No, it is false. So skip this statement and go here. Now increment the value of I by 1, and I equal to 2 now. Then it check this condition again. X of 2 greater than greatest. X of 2 equal to 27, and greatest equal to 15. So 27 greater than 15. Yes, it is true. Now execute this statement, and 27 is assigned to greatest. So now greatest equal to 27. Then increment the value of I by 1, I equal to 3. Then check this condition again. X of 3 greater than greatest. X of 3 equal to 10, and greatest equal to 27. So 10 greater than 27, no, this condition is false. So control go here and increment the value of I by 1. Now I equal to 4. Then check this condition again. X of 4 greater than greatest. X of 4 equal to 45 and greatest equal to 27. So 45 greater than 27. Yes, it is true. And we copy 45 to greatest. So now greatest whole 45. Then control go here and increment the value of I by 1. And now I equal to 5. And then check this condition. I less than 4. No, it is false. And the control come out of this loop. So the greatest value is 45. Similarly, we find the smallest value. First we initialize x of 0 to smallest. X of 0 equal to 15. So smallest content 15. Then inside the for loop, we check the condition if x of I less than smallest. First time I equal to 1. So the condition is x of 1 less than smallest. X of 1 equal to 12 and smallest is 15. So 12 less than 15. Yes, it is true. We copy x of I to smallest. Means 12 is copied to smallest. And now smallest content 12. Next we increment the value of I by 1. So I is 2 now. Then check this condition. X of 2 less than smallest. X of 2 is 27. 27 less than 12. No, it is false. So skip this statement and control go here. Increment the value of I by 1. So now I equal to 3. Then check this condition again. X of 3 less than smallest. X of 3 is 10 and smallest is 12. So 10 less than 12. Yes, it is true. So we copy 10 to smallest. So now smallest equal to 10. Then we again increment the value of I by 1 and this time I equal to 4. And then we check this condition. X of 4 less than smallest. X of 4 is 45. 45 less than 10. No, this condition is false. And the control go here. Increment the value of I by 1. So now I equal to 5. This condition is false and the control come out of this loop. So the smallest value is 10. Let's back to the coding. Here first we initialize first element of the array to a variable greatest. So I am going to write here greatest equal to x of 0. Next we use here a for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than size and then I plus plus. Here we start from 1 because we have already used the first element, so we no need to check it again. We start from the second element, and in an array second element is stored in the first position. That's why we initialize here I equal to 1. Now inside the for loop I am going to check if x of I greater than greatest. If this condition is true, then we copy x of I to greatest. So I am going to write here greatest equal to x of I. Similar way we find the smallest element of the array. So I am going to copy it and paste here. I am going to write here smallest equal to x of 0. And inside the for loop we write the condition as x of I less than smallest. If this condition is true, then we copy x of I to smallest. Smallest equal to x of I. The next thing that we need to do, print the greatest and smallest value to the screen. So I am going to write here printf greatest value is %d and here we refer greatest. Similarly we print the smallest value also. So I am going to copy it and paste here. I am going to write here smallest value. Here we refer smallest and give here a new line. Let's check the output. Compile and run. As you can see here, it asks for the size of the array. I am going to enter 5. Enter the elements of the array. I am going to enter 12, 30, 10, 45 and 21. So the greatest value is 45 and smallest value is 10. That's it. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video, and if you have any suggestion, please tell us. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel Slide Hunt. You can like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/slidehunt, and you can follow me on Google Plus at www.google.com/+slidehunt.